Playtime.
Dylan, you got a package today. You want to open it up?
It's a dinosaur.
Wow! Somebody sent this to you, but we don't know who. It just says from Toys R Us, but we don't know who it's from. How cute is that? Oh my gosh!
I want to open that.
You want to take it out of the packaging?
Yeah.
He is so cute, isn't he? So if it was one of our viewers, we just really want to say thank you. We have no idea where this came from. Right? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah, we don't know who sent this, but Dylan loves it. That was so nice.
No, you hold it.
You hold it. All right, let me get the scissors. We'll take it out of the packaging, okay?
Papa.
Oh, he's stomping?
He's eating my finger.
And it lights up in there, I see, huh? Open it again, let me see. Yeah, it has a light in there. So it's like a little flashlight at nighttime. And he sings. Oh, and he bites your finger.
No, look at his stuff.
I know, isn't that funny? No, he's so cute. Now, what else does he do? Let's see. We're figuring this out together. So he makes all kinds of different noises.
No, what's it? No. You don't do. I showed you a box.
Let's see what else it says. It says, "Try me."
No.
It's by Winfun. Oh, voice changing dino with flesh. Oh, so it's a voice changer. See, we didn't even look at it. Look at, see how the little boy is talking into his tail?
Oh.
I guess you hold down, let's see, voice changing dino with flashlight. Oh, so that red button on top is the playback, and then the sound effect. Okay, hold on. You record by pressing this, all right? Ready? So I'm gonna press this and you say something. Say, "Hi, my name's Dylan."
Hi, my name is Dylan.
Okay, then I think we... Oh, that's Mommy talking. I pressed it too soon. Okay, let's try again. It's a voice changing guy. So I'm gonna press this button and then you're gonna talk. Ready? Say, "Hi, my name is Dylan."
Hi, my name is Dylan.
Okay, good. Now let's see. It's a Dylan. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Want to hear it again?
Yeah. I just have to say Froggy.
Okay. You gonna say Froggy? Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Froggy.
Try again. Say Froggy.
Froggy.
Ah.
I said really
You want to
loud.
hear it again?
Yeah.
You yelled. You said Froggy. That is so cool. And at nighttime, we'll have to light up the flashlight to see how that works.
Bite my finger. Ow. Ow.
He's biting you.
No, you're doing that. What's that
That's
song?
round and round the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel.
Oh.
Yeah, it even sings a song. What a fun gift. That was such a nice surprise to come home to, huh?
What's that song?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey, the weasel, pop goes the weasel. say?
I want to eat your finger.
Oh, he's eating me.
I'm doing that.
What a nice surprise.
Try me. Try me.
Can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. No, watch this jump.
Whoa, big jump. Say thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.